An object pronoun is a type of personal pronoun that is normally used as a grammatical object, either as the direct or indirect object of a verb, or as the object of a preposition. These pronouns always take the objective case, whether they are indirect object pronouns or direct object pronouns. The 7 basic pronouns take on different forms when used as object pronouns rather than as subject pronouns. I becomes me. You becomes you. This rule applies for singular and plural use. He becomes him. She becomes her. It becomes it. We becomes us. They becomes them. Identifying object pronouns. In order to identify the object pronoun in a sentence, you should find out the noun that receives the action. The receiver of the action is called the object. Object pronouns can act as indirect and direct objects. Position of object pronouns. 1. The pronoun comes after the verb. In English, objects always come after the verb. So if you're putting a pronoun after the verb, you know it needs to be the object form. For example, Anna gave him to the dog. The pronoun him comes after the past tense verb gave, so it has to be in the object form. 2. The pronoun comes after a preposition. Sometimes a verb is followed by a preposition, and when it does, the object always comes after the preposition. For example, this whole pizza is for us. There's the preposition for, so the pronoun that follows it, us, is an object pronoun. Subject pronouns versus object pronouns. Choosing between subject and object pronouns can be confusing. The key difference between the two types of pronouns is their role in the sentence. Object pronouns replace the person or thing receiving the action of the sentence. Meanwhile, subject pronouns are used for the person or thing doing the action. In the sentence, Anna and George are eating the cookies. Anna and George are the subject because they're doing the action of eating. This means that Anna and George can be replaced by a subject pronoun. The cookies are the object because they're receiving the action of being eaten. So the cookies can be replaced by an object pronoun. You can say, they are eating the cookies, because they is a subject pronoun that replaces the subject, Anna and George. You can say Anna and George are eating them, because them is an object pronoun that replaces the object, the cookies. You can say they are eating them, because they is a subject pronoun that replaces the subject, Anna and George, and them is an object pronoun that replaces the object, the cookies.